Imagine living in a world where a monster is heading straight for your home, but you have no idea it even exists. Before 1960, that was the reality of human life. We didn't really forecast the weather, we guessed it. We were limited to what we could see from the ground, a few scattered stations, or the deck of a ship. The biggest problem was the silence of the sea. Most of history's most dangerous storms are born far out in the deep ocean, in places where no human eyes could reach. Hurricanes formed in total secrecy. Ships vanished without a trace. Entire cities were struck by surprise disasters that cost millions of lives over centuries. We were effectively blind to our own atmosphere. Everything changed on January 9, 1960. That was the day NASA launched TIROS-1, the world's first successful weather satellite. It was a simple machine with a monumental job: to stop looking up at the clouds and start looking down at them. The science behind it was beautifully simple. Bright white clouds reflect more sunlight than the dark oceans or land below. TIROS-1 carried television cameras that captured these bright patterns and beamed the images back to Earth. For the first time, scientists weren't just looking at a storm, they were watching it breathe. They could see them form, move, and grow stronger in real time. As TIROS-1 circled the Earth every 99 minutes, it pieced together a truth we finally understood: weather is a global conversation. A disturbance in one hemisphere could trigger a disaster thousands of kilometers away. Weather was no longer local or random, it was a visible, trackable pattern. This wasn't just a win for technology, it was a win for humanity. TIROS-1 proved that space exploration could be used for peaceful, life-saving purposes. Ships began to steer around deadly systems, pilots found safer corridors, and for the first time in history, governments could warn their citizens before a disaster arrived. Every time you check a rain alert or a cyclone warning on your phone today, you are using the legacy of that single launch. January 9, 1960, was the day humanity finally gained eyes in the sky and learned, at long last, to watch over its own planet.